Hi viewers, today we will learn and practice the sun salutation, Surya Namaskara. The sun salutation is the process of expressing the gratitude to the sun god. We withdraw the energy from the sun god, and this process is expressing the gratitude to the sun god by performing the 12 asanas. Although there are different 12 asanas, we will go from one asana to the other asana. We'll flow in from one asana to the other asana, and we'll also learn what are the common misalignment. First, let us lengthen the spine. Breathe in, raise our hands up. Lengthen the spine by pulling the navel and abdomen in, and breathe out. Bring the palms into Pranamasana in front of your chest. Fingers wide open, elbows are straight, shoulders relaxed. Open your chest. Breathe in, go to Hasta Uttanasana. Take your hands up, push your chest forward, take your arms to the back, and push your pelvic to the front and engage your inner thighs. Breathe out, slowly come to Hasta Padasana. Bending from your lower back is very important. Keep your palms onto the mat. Breathe in. Take your right leg to the back, Ashwasanchalanasana. Keep your right knee resting on the ground and the right ankle touching to the floor. The right foot toes are pointing outside. Make sure your left knee remain straight 90 degrees. Now breathe in, go to the plank pose, the Palakasana. Body comes into a straight line. Lift the leg and pull your navel abdomen in and tuck your tailbone into the hips. You are looking down 30 degrees angle. Breathe out, drop your knees, the chin and the chest down. Elbows remain close to the body. The stomach and the navel up in the air, and lift your tailbone up. Ashtanga Pranama. Breathing in, scoop up your chest, not moving the knees to the back. Breathing in, come up to Bhujangasana. Make sure your elbows remain close to the body. Shoulders are away from the ears. The navel is off the floor and the pelvic is touching to the ground. Breathe in and breathe out, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift your knees up. Try to touch your both the heels to the floor. It's okay if you're not able to touch the heels, it's okay. It's a day by day practice. Breathe in, bring your right leg to the front, Ashwasanchalanasana. The left leg resting to the floor, the left ankle touching to the ground, and the left foot toes are pointing out. If required, you can extend your left leg to outside. Breathe in, breathe out, come to Hasta Padasana. Tuck your toes and then push your left leg to the front. And remember here, you have to be pushing down from your hip joint. Go as much as you can. Don't strain your back. Slowly breathing in. Slowly straighten your hands up. Straighten your hands up. Breathe in. Come up to Hasta Uttanasana. Pushing your chest forward. Hands go back, ears between the biceps and pelvic to the front, and engage your inner thighs. Breathe out, bring the hands into Pranamasana. And we have completed with the right leg, and we will repeat it with the left leg. Pranamasana. 2, breathe in, Hasta Uttanasana. 3, breathe out, Hasta Padasana. 4, breathe in, take your left leg to the back. 5, come to the plank pose, Palakasana. Stay there for a couple of breaths. This will help you to strengthen your legs, strengthen your back, and strengthen your core muscles. Tuck the navel and abdomen in. Tuck your tailbone into the hips. Shoulders away from the ears. Now breathe in and breathe out. Come to Ashtanga Pranama. Drop your knees, chest and the chin down. Elbows close to the body. Lift your tailbone up. Breathe in, come to Bhujangasana. Breathe out, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, bringing your left leg to the front. And breathe out, bring your right leg also to the front. And slowly breathe in, straighten up your hands, come to Hasta Uttanasana. And slowly breathe out, come to Pranamasana. And relax. So this is the complete one round of Surya Namaskara. You may repeat. You may start with 2-3 rounds initially and continue gradually up to 12 rounds. Those who repeat Surya Namaskaras 12 rounds in the morning and 12 rounds in the evening, there will be no disease in the body. So it is a wise choice to practice it in the morning and the evening. The best time is to practice at the sunrise, and the second best time is to practice at the sunset. So hopefully you will follow this video, continue your practice of Surya Namaskara for 12 rounds, and then become healthy physically and mentally. योगा से ही